Great. All right, welcome back to my channel. I still remain your homeboy, Idikureke Udofia, and welcome to my live trading forex review. And this is about the almost about the New York section, and I'm here to check trades that we took earlier on this day today, and also to scalp to see what opportunities still lie for us to take advantage of. So before further ado, I like to say that this is a trading signal channel where we give out we share our own view as to trades that we see that you could take advantage of. Right now, let me not bore you with so much talking. We're going to go straight right to it. And now we're looking at the gold from the gold instrument. We could see that the gold was rejected at the support level. So this is previous support turn resistance. I'm just going to draw them out. This is previous support turn resistance, as you can see, and now it looks like the gold is about to retrace back. So for me, I think this is, let me go to a smaller time frame and see what's going on there. And then on my 5 minutes chart, okay, and then on my 1 minute chart, yes ma, thank you. All right, so like I said earlier, gold looks like it's coming down, but I think for today gold might actually really go up. From my 1 minute chart, I could show you, let me just reduce it a little bit more. So this is a key level area and the market is reacting. So I probably will want to wait 1 more hour, but my buyer's opinion on the gold instrument is to buy it. That's my buyer's opinion, because from the 4 hours trade I could tell that the market did not actually close below this level here, so it looks like the market is actually reacting to it. So my overall view is that gold, you can buy gold at this level here. Yeah, you can buy gold. That's my biased opinion, but I'm not interested in taking this gold because I don't have enough information to buy that. Now I go to the next currency pair, which is the Europe USD. For me, the Europe USD is good for buy, so I will be buying the Europe USD at this point. I'll be buying the Europe USD. I'll be buying the Europe USD, and then this will be my take profit level, and this will be the part where I will be looking out for my stop loss. So take profit, stop loss, that's what it is. And now to the next point. If you remember this trade, when we took this trade, we said we should buy the trade, and then we had our stop loss here. So you can see that the trade is still up. This didn't actually go, we weren't stopped out. I think that was good news. We weren't stopped out. Alright, so that's what it is. So we are already on that trade, and then we have our take profit here. If you remember quite well, we had our take profit here. But now if I look at it from the 15 minutes chart, where is the best place to have our first take profit? I think it's still fine. It's still fine for our first take profit. And then moving on to the next Euro Canadian, Europe Canadian to me looks like the market will be selling, but remember we're still at this important level here, which is previous resistance, or yes, previous resistance over here, turn support over here, and the market didn't even close below it, meaning that the resistance level is still holding up. So it's a valid buy if you ask me. And I think I like trade like this because I think I'm going to take a small lot size of this, but it's a valid buy, and you have your stop loss is a very tight one, which is roughly around maybe this level here. It's a valid buy, and then your take profit is back to this same level here. So first take profit is here, and then second take profit is around this level here. So we're going to put that up there. And then to the next trade, what do we see? We see the market tried or broke beyond this level here and pushed back. So for me, I see a sell opportunity here for this. So 0.2, I see a sell opportunity, but I'm going to be using a sell limit, and then I'm going to be putting my sell limit at this point here, because what I expect to see in the market, let me zoom in a little bit. What I see in the market is the market coming back to retest this level here and then continue back down. So that's one. And then I'm going to be putting my stop loss. So I'm going to be putting my stop loss above the last resistance level, and then bringing this below this point here. Alright, so that is it. So I have my stop loss roughly around here, and then I have my take profit way below the last price action here. So that's that. And then what else? Let's move on to the Europe, to the Swiss, New Zealand USD. I have a quite interesting one here. So for me, I see a buy opportunity on this guy over here. As much as I know that it's technically a buy opportunity. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be having my buy stop above here, above this level here. I'm going to be having my buy opportunity above this level here, and then my stop loss will be below this level, and then my take profit is way up there where we have our previous order block level. So I'm going to show that to you. So my take profit is going to be up here, first take profit, and then my stop loss is going to be up here, as you can see. So that's that. And then we move to the next one, the dollar yen. Well, the dollar has come to the point where we are supposed to be selling the pounds USD, but I would not be selling because I want to see how the market reacts in the 4 hours candle around this level. You know, I was actually expecting the market to even get up to this level. If you remember in our first early discussion on this particular currency pair, and finally it has gotten to that level. So this is a sell for me. I'll be looking to sell this, but I actually want to see what's going to happen in this level here, because the market probably might even get up to this level or this level here to start selling again. But For the meantime, I would like to see how the market reacts to those levels. And then for my pounds USD, my pounds USD actually just kept going up. Yep, it just kept going up. I think I just got stopped out. Let me show it to you. I just got stopped out from the market at $7 and at $28, which is the, maybe there's a news rising right now from the market. So here's what I'm gonna do. First of all, I'm gonna be taking this out. Yes, I'm gonna be taking that out, but I think every other thing is fine to me. Every other thing looks good to me. Yep. The market is coming down. It's coming down. So like I did say, when trading the market, make sure you use the right what's it called, money management skill, so that just so the idea of money management skill is, imagine you have 5 trades and you have successful 3 and 2 bad losses. What that means is that you'll still be in profit, because if all 3 goes well, you probably will even still make more than the losses. So that's basically what it is. So we move on. Let's go to the next. I have this. For me, what I see here is that the market is reacting to this level here, which means that I would like to even wait to see the close of the 4 hours candle to determine what's next step to take. Yeah, that's basically what I'll be expecting to see before entering this trade. Alright, so to the next one, we see the market is supposed to be selling, and then what happened is, oh, fantastic. If you remember this trade quite well, we took this trade at a sell limit, and then the market broke way above the sell limit, and now we're back up to this level here. Okay, now to be honest, here is what I was expecting to see. I was expecting the market or this candle to close below this resistance level. That would even confirm a further sell opportunity for this, but it broke above the sell or the resistance level way to this point. Though we have our stop loss there, so we will just wait and see, because the truth of the matter is, I don't subscribe to early close of trade. It's good that when you take your trade, you allow the market to just close you, because you never know whether the market will just retrace and then start coming back to where you expected it to go to, because it's Forex. You can't be 100% correct, but at least to a level of understanding based on experience, you might be expecting to have at least quality traits of percentage wise. You want to be in between 80% or 100% sure that this is supposed to go in that direction to take any trade of your choice. So that's basically what it is. And for me, this is still a sell. It's still a sell, in as much as I see that there is a trend building up, which is this. But also do remember that this is also a area of liquidity in the market, meaning that there's a lot of money around this level to be taken out, which still draws to mind that we could even increase our take profits to somewhere around here, because the market is also looking at coming back to take all of those profits out. So bear in mind that that could also be the case. Alright, so I'm just going to increase my stop loss a little bit above this level, okay, so that we don't get early stopped out, or we don't get stopped out early. So let's move to the next. Now on this next trade over here, We placed a buy trade because we saw that on the 4 hours candle there's this level of support where we know that the market would not definitely cross below, and somehow it looks like we are very correct now. In with this that we are seeing already, I can confidently tell you that the stop loss for this will be around here. First take profit around here or around this level here. So we have this point here to look at, and we also have this point here to look out. The market is definitely going to go up on this trade here, and this is the Europe Canadian dollar. Yeah, Europe Canada, and we're already on the trade. All right, so we move further to the next. This is a sweet sell. To be honest, this is a sweet sell. Technically you can see that the market is on the downward trend. This is a sweet sell, but I'm not interested in taking sell. So let me tell you another method of how I take my trade. Now I like looking for buying opportunity when the market is down, and I like looking for selling opportunity when the market is up. So it still goes to the old rules of trading, which says sell when it's high, buy when it's low. That's the rules of the game. Sell when it's high, buy when it's low. That's the rules of the game. But you want to sell when the market is actually telling you to sell. That is it. I'm going to pause this video and pause. Where is pause? Alright, let me quickly take a call. Hello, Mr. Gentle. Fine, remote running. Yes. Ocean Berry. Alright, boss. I started with the 64. Alright, boss. Yes. Okay. Okay, I'll do that, sir. Alright, sir. Yes, sir. Alright, boss. Alright, boss. Gentle. Oh. Alright, sorry for the pause. I got an important call, so I had to pick it up. Okay, so back to the rules of the game. Like I said, this is a good sell. So if you're interested, you want to take this sell, and then you have your stop loss around here. But let's even look at it critically. The way I would enter this market if I was to be trading it, no problem, I'm okay. Yeah, this is a good sell. This is a fantastic sell. So if you're interested in this, you could actually sell it. But this is a good sell. I am a good percentage sure about that. But I'm not interested in taking this sell. And here's my reason why I am not interested in taking this sell. And the reason is because of this cluster here. If you look at this level here, in the previous level, you will notice this cluster. Like, this is a major key level. So that's the reason why I am not interested in this particular trade. Alright, so let's look further back. Yes, so this one we predicted that the market was going to come and hit our stop loss, but now we're seeing the market acting funny. Yep. So what I would normally do is either I close this trade, or I could just move my stop loss to break even. somewhere around that level there, so that I do not lose entirely, even though I would have just hit my close this and say farewell to the trade. But for now, I'll rather still stay put a little and see what's really might happen. Yep, that's what it is. That's what it is. Okay, so let's move on. I'm going straight to the Aussie Dozzy. I like what I see. So I see this. So for me, I'll put a sell limit on this trade here. A sell limit because of this reaction. So what I'm expecting to see is the market trying to come back to retest this level after this and then go on the sell. So that's my take on that. And on this, I can see that the market here, so this closed a little bit below this key important level for me. So what I'll be looking to do is to have my sell limit at this level also, because I can tell that the market is ready to go in that direction. I don't like chasing trades. I like the trades coming back to meet me and all of that. So if you remember this trade, we're looking at selling this trade at this level, so we might still be patient. Oh, that was not even the trade where we said patience is needed. Can you imagine what Canadian Swiss just did? We are buying this trade and the trade is still coming back for us to buy it. So no stress, though we've been stopped out, but no stress. We're just going to put our buy on our marker there and then wait for the market to come and take us straight, because this is a buy for me. And maybe for some reasons of the news, the market came, got us stopped out, maybe because we have a tight stop loss around there, so we got stopped out, and now the market looks like it's coming back there again to do its thing. But we have a pending order there. It's okay, it's Forex market, things like that happens. All right, Europe USD, I don't see much going on there. And then for this guy, this is a fantastic sell. Oh, we're already selling it already. So since we are already selling this particular trade, I would like to increase my position on this trade and say, you know what, if this trade goes below this level, please help me to continue selling from this point here, and then let me have my stop loss just way, oh no, this is take profit. Let me have my take profit way where we have the previous one, and then my stop loss just 2 steps away from my key points. So what I mean by that is that I want to have my stop loss 2 steps away to this level here, and then my take profit just where I have this recent one. There you go. So that's my take on that. And then this Europe USD, this guy is really coming down now. Should I close and wait, or what's the game? What's the game plan? You know what? I'm gonna allow the market do its thing. So I would be moving my stop loss. Okay, should I take it? Let me even look at what's going on there. Wow, this is some serious push. This is some serious and heavy push. Well, So I'm going to take my stop loss and keep it where I feel like it's okay to keep it, which is just below here, and allow the market to do its thing. Because the thing is, the market might just be coming back there to take and then go back to where it's supposed to go. So that's my review on the Europe USD. I'll be back in the next 4 hours to see how all of the trades are doing, and then looking out for other opportunities if they present some more, and then that's what we'll be doing. Let me even go to see the gold and see what the gold is doing. Wow, the gold actually sold. Sorry, but wow, this is fantastic. But now I think it's about time to sell your gold. This is about time to sell your gold. So for me, like I said, I want to be selling the gold, but I want to see if the gold is still gonna push super duper higher than this. Will the gold push higher than this? So let's use the 15 minutes chart, see what's happening. No, the 5 minutes. I like the 5 minutes. Yep, see what's happening. So stay with me on this. We will be selling the gold very soon. So if I would draw out my other blocks, where would that be? So where is my order blocks for gold? Close this. First off, we have this level of order blocks there for my gold, but I also need to see a change of character on the gold. Okay, and then another level of order blocks for me for the gold will be this area here, where we have a run and a pullback. This area here, those are areas where we want to be selling our gold from. So we'll just stay put and see what's happening in the market. Okay. This is a great sell. I'm telling you, this is a superb selling opportunity for yours. This is a great selling opportunity for anybody who knows the game. Why are you acting so fast, Mr. Gold? Can't you even go some little bit more, like going up a little bit more? You're acting so fast, Mr. Gold. Please come up a little. Stop acting so fast. Don't tell me you want to kick off from this level here. That's too early for me. I need to take enough money if I'm going to be trading this gold. Okay? You can't be acting this fast. I don't like it. So let's scroll down a little. Who is this dude? I know what you're doing. I know what you're doing. But I think a better surplus for me should be somewhere around there instead. But I know what you're doing. Alright, so we're looking at the gold. We're taking. Is it the right time to take our sell? I want the market to really come up a little bit more. Please come up a little bit more. Please come up a little bit more. Please come up a little bit more. So I don't want this video to be long. I'm gonna be ending the video, but thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning into my station. I still remain Idikureke, Udofia, and then try and make sure you're looking out for this same goal to sell. I have a very strong belief that the gold will sell at that level there. It will sell. It's just the same thing that the market does oftentimes, like market manipulation, where it goes up and you're like, oh, now the market is going up, and then you go up with the market and the next thing you see is the market just comes way down and you're like, man, I'm stuck here in the market. What will I do? Who will salvage me from this terror? You know, so that's what's going on right now in the gold instrument. And you don't want to be running where everybody's running at. That's one thing you don't want to do trading forex. You just want to have your own understanding as to where the market is going, and then keep trading your idea and then build at it until you know you're able to be a constantly profitable trader using your own strategy. As for me, this is really working for me, and I'll show you how that. Right now we are at 341 USD dollars, and this is a $500 account. So let's see how the end of this week would turn out, you know, trading with a $500 account. Okay, it looks like it's about time to enter a sell for the gold. Yep, it looks like it's about time to sell the gold. Yeah, let me get some more clarity from my 1 minute if there is any sign in there. This guy is running fast. He should calm down now. It's like gold already knows that I'm planning to sell it and it's just running. So I would like to just put a selling limit there for my gold. A sell limit. A sell limit for my gold around this level. I want to sell around that level. I'm going to send around that level. I want to sell good around this level. That's where I want to be selling the gold from. So let me take you guys back to my Europe USD. Did you see what the market is doing? So I told you guys the market is, it's either the market is crazy or the market is just weird. So he's doing all of this, and now from my 15 pips we're back at 32 pips already, and we still have our take profit here. So this happens a lot of times in the market, though we got stopped out on was it this or which one or this one? Which one did we get stopped out? Wow, we are in on this trade. This trade is coming back down for Shuzi. We got stopped out on, yeah, this guy, yeah. Who's I need to see this very well. Okay. And we had a buy stop. So I still have my buy stop there. I really want to see this very clearly. We got stopped out at USD Swiss. Oh, we hit our take profit on this guy, yeah. How true is that? Okay, that's cool. That's cool. No, I don't think this is ready yet to go. I want to see how this ends to know whether we're going to be buying it. I don't think it's ready yet to go. But for me, every other thing is correct. Every other thing looks good. So we all have this ready to go. Okay, we also got stopped out here. Yep, this is still a buy. I'm okay with this. I'm okay with this getting triggered. So that's basically what it is on this channel. So thank you. Please just watch and then make your decision once you understand what our analysis is. Like a quick disclaimer, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just someone who likes trading for hobby, and to me, I enjoy trading. I've been trading for quite some time, and I can tell you I have had good experience. So use the right money management and then take your trade. Use my stop loss if you know you're following my signals. And then what I'm not sure of, I didn't take any of such trade, but for the ones that I'm sure of, I took those trade. And then I think that is it. That is it. Over here, why I decided to sell this trade is, if you look here, you would notice that we already have a change of character on this trade over here. So this is a change of character. So it's not either. So there's a trading opportunity here, and there's also another trading opportunity here, where the market will come, retest, and then still goes back or continues further down. So that is it. Let's take this a little bit to this point here so that we could reduce our stop loss level. Let me even put my stop loss on this trade. So my stop loss level will be just right above this level here, and then my take profit will be at this level here. Something like that. As you can see, our trade is taking up back. We're back to 200. We were at 400 thereabouts, so let's see what happens. We have multiple trades already on our account, so it's okay. On my one well, this is a sell for me, no doubt about it. This is a pure sell for me. So I just took a trade on Aussie Swiss for a sell. So if you're interested, that's what it is. That is a selling opportunity for me. And then I have my stop loss here. And like I said, this was a pending one. I told you that you look to either sell at this line level here or sell just above this level here. Those are the two selling that present itself, but this is a sell for me, and I'm so sure about that. This is a pure sell for me. Take profit is just below there. All right, thank you for watching.